Welcome, urban farmers, to your guide to maximizing every inch of your backyard. Today, we're diving into the incredible potential of small spaces. We'll show you how to cultivate a year's worth of food right outside your door. Limited space doesn't mean limited harvest. With smart planning and the right plant choices, you can achieve remarkable yields. This video focuses on the 7 most productive crops for compact gardens. For urban gardeners, efficiency is key. High-yield crops produce a significant amount of food relative to the space they occupy. They are essential for making your small backyard truly productive. These crops often offer multiple harvests or produce a large volume from a single plant. Choosing them wisely ensures you get the most nutritional value and caloric output from your precious garden real estate. Potatoes are incredibly versatile and offer a fantastic yield, especially when grown in containers or grow bags. A single plant can produce several pounds of tubers. They are a staple crop that stores well. Plant seed potatoes in layers, gradually adding soil as the plant grows. This technique, known as hilling, encourages more potato formation along the stem. Choose early or mid-season varieties for quicker harvests. Bush beans are a powerhouse for small spaces. Unlike pole beans, they don't require trellising, making them ideal for compact beds. They produce abundant, tender pods quickly. Plant seeds every 2 to 3 weeks for a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. Pick beans regularly to encourage more production. They are also excellent for preserving through canning or freezing. Zucchini and summer squash are legendary for their prolific output. Just a few plants can provide a continuous supply of delicious squash all summer long. They grow rapidly and are relatively easy to care for. Choose bush varieties to save space or train vining types vertically on a sturdy trellis. Harvest young and often to encourage more fruit production. These plants thrive with consistent moisture and full sun. Leafy greens like Swiss chard and kale are incredibly productive because you can harvest their outer leaves repeatedly. They provide a steady supply of nutrient-dense greens for months. These plants are also quite cold tolerant. Plant them in a sunny spot and ensure consistent watering. Harvest leaves from the bottom up, leaving the central growing point intact. This method allows the plant to continue producing new leaves. Indeterminate tomato varieties are perfect for small spaces because they continue to grow and produce fruit until frost. They offer a much higher yield than determinate types over a longer period. Support them with strong stakes or cages. Prune suckers regularly to direct the plant's energy into fruit production. Provide consistent water and nutrients for the best results. A few well-tended indeterminate plants can yield an astonishing amount of tomatoes. Radishes are the ultimate quick-yield crop for urban gardeners. They mature in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, allowing for multiple successions in a single season. Their compact size makes them perfect for interplanting. Sow seeds every week or two for a continuous supply of crisp, peppery roots. They don't require much space and can be tucked into almost any available spot. Radishes are a great way to fill gaps in your garden plan. Carrots offer a substantial yield in a relatively small footprint, especially when grown in deep containers or raised beds. They provide a nutritious root crop that stores well. Choose shorter varieties for shallower containers. Ensure your soil is loose and free of rocks for straight, well-formed roots. Sow seeds densely and thin them properly to give each carrot room to grow. Consistent moisture is crucial for good development. Beyond choosing high-yield crops, employ smart gardening techniques. Succession planting ensures a continuous harvest by staggering plantings every few weeks. This prevents gluts and keeps your garden producing. Vertical gardening, using trellises, stakes, and hanging baskets, expands your growing area upwards. Companion planting can also boost yields by deterring pests and improving plant health. Every square foot counts. To truly grow a year of food, consider season extension techniques. Cold frames, hoop houses, or even simple row covers can protect crops from early and late frosts. This allows you to start earlier and harvest later. Plan your garden layout to accommodate different crop rotations and planting times. Think about what you can grow in spring, summer, fall, and even mild winter climates. A well-planned garden is a productive garden. By focusing on these 7 high-yield crops and implementing smart gardening strategies, you can transform your small backyard into a remarkably productive food source. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own food year-round. Start small, learn from your experiences, and enjoy the journey of growing your own delicious fresh produce. Your urban farm awaits. Happy gardening!